एक जिम्नास्ट की लाइफ में क्या क्या उसका ग्रोथ चार्ट कैसे रहता है?
Basically, it's a long process. So, what I feel in this process, enjoying that process is very important. It might, like in gymnastic, generally, if you say, first 3 years is the basics, what you can say, recreational gymnastic or fun gymnastic, basic foundations, which you can use to any sports. After that, the next level is the intermediate level, you can say. It is around about 6 to 7 years.
Okay.
And then competitive. In competitive, at the senior levels, there is a very big span. In the girls, like 15 years and above, girls are the senior level. So recently, if you say in the nationals, there are 16-year girls also participate.
बिल्कुल.
And same time Pranati Nat, as you say, 29, she also participated. So I think that you should enjoy the learning part. That's what I feel.
वो
कि
expectation
instead
लेके
of
नहीं जाना
focusing
चाहिए.
on the outcomes, you should focus on the process.
हाँ.
See, when we teach the child, like suppose we are doing round of flick salto, so many times we observe that कि child is focusing on the last salto part. But when that salto part will do better when you get a proper round off. So you should mainly, हम लोग हमेशा बच्चों को बोलते हैं कि focus on the round off, first part. So if your first part takeoff is good, then you're going to get that expected length and height. So I think that process is very important. So that's why in India we say na, it's very important to balance studies and sports together. But I think it's not at all difficult task.
इम्पॉसिबल नहीं है, उसे मैनेज
Impossible
किया जा
नहीं है
सकता है.
if you balance, because basically जो बच्चा स्पोर्ट्स में अच्छा होता है, he is having that mental fitness भी उसका अच्छा होता है. He is having that confidence कि if I decide I can do anything. That confidence helps.
बिल्कुल.
बेसिकली इफ यू इमेजिन, लाइक हम लोग ने तो जिम्नास्टिक बहुत अर्ली एज में किया, बट वॉट एवर वी हैव लर्न एट दैट टाइम, लाइक वी वेंट टू डिफरेंट टूर्नामेंट्स, द एवरी टूर्नामेंट दैट organization was not that good. We adjust, we started learning adaptability, you can say.
Exactly, adaptability बढ़ती है.
We learn adaptability. We started planning. All these things now we are using that.
बिल्कुल.
So whatever we have learned, like planning part is there, visualization. So I'm using that things.
वही अब अप्लाई कर रहा
And
हूँ
it's helping me in my job also. When I used to work in the Citibank, so I used to help that. Like when I have done my CA, that planning part, it helps me in that also. So what I feel now, learning is important.
हाँ.
At any stage, learning is important. जो भी सीखा होता है वो आपको कभी ना कभी तो लाइफ में काम आता ही है. सो स्पोर्ट्स इज द थिंग जिधर आपका ओवरऑल पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट होता है, दैट कॉन्फिडेंस होता है कि इफ आई डिसाइड आई कैन डू एनीथिंग. प्लानिंग पार्ट है, एडेप्टेबिलिटी है, वॉट एवर इक्विपमेंट्स वी हैव, वॉट एवर ऑप्शंस वी हैव, उसमें से हम लोग को बेस्ट देना है. सो दैट अप्रोच टू लुकिंग एट द लाइफ, दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
एग्जैक्टली, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है वो चीज़.
Yes, nowadays it's very important. When we are hearing the suicide cases at the college level stage, so that I think that mental fitness level is, you're improving mental fitness level because of sports. That confidence and adaptability, all that things are very important.
एग्जैक्टली, मतलब जैसे पेरेंट्स जिस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, जिस ऑब्जेक्टिव से बच्चों कभी कभी स्पोर्ट्स ज्वाइन कराते हैं कि नहीं अभी इनको मेडल लेके आना है या अच्छा अभी अच्छा परफॉर्म करते जाएंगे, वो रादर दैन वो एक्सपेक्टेशंस लेके जाएं, उससे अच्छा है ये सोच के जाएं कि उसकी पर्सनालिटी, जैसे आप कह रहे हो, अडेप्टेबिलिटी है या एडजस्टमेंट है, डिसीजन मेकिंग, ये क्वालिटीज उनकी बढ़ती जा रही हैं.
With changing scenarios, that is very important. Very important.
तो
समटाइम्स ऑलवेज लाइफ में whatever we expect वो होता है, हमेशा होता है, नो. I was blessed. I got a good coaches. At proper age, I got a success in the sports. But सब मेरे जैसे मेरे भी
नहीं हो पाते
competitors थे. They didn't get award, but they have learned so many things
Exactly.
which they are using at different level. Some of the vice principal in the schools, some of the vice principal in the college, some of heading the big departments.
वो उन स्किल्स को वो वहाँ पे यूज़ कर रहे हैं वो
Overall
चीज़ें।
personality development.
बिल्कुल,
I
definitely.
think we should look from that point of view.
बिल्कुल